Ready to save big on your Bluehost web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name? Then this Bluehost discount video is for you. In this video, I'm providing you with the latest Bluehost coupon code discount that will get you up to 75% off Bluehost web hosting, plus a free domain name. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the Bluehost discount, getting Bluehost for as low as $1.99 a month, plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Bluehost web hosting plans page. Click the View Plans button. You'll now be taken to the Bluehost plans. You'll see 4 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Choice Plus, Online Store, and Pro Plan. All plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 customer support, free SSL Certificate, free domain name, free CDN by Cloudflare with Argo Routing, Web Application Firewall, and DDos Protection. The basic plan, you'll get as low as $1.99 a month and get a Bluehost discount of 75% off. The basic plan comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes of SSD storage, 100 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 40,000 visitors per month. The Choice Plus plan, you'll get for as low as $3.99 a month and get a Bluehost discount of 71% off. The Choice Plus plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of SSD storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with phone support, daily website backups free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. The Online Store plan, you'll get as low as $7.45 a month and get a Bluehost discount of 61% off. The Online Store plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of SSD storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. Automated real-time backups with Jetpack, and WooCommerce auto install. This plan is good if you're going to have an online store, as it comes with a bunch of extras like store analytics, secure online payments, bookings and appointments, shipping labels, product search and filtering, gift card creation, wish list, customer account customization, and sales and promotions builder by Wondercart. Something I want to note is you can have an e-commerce site with the Basic, Choice Plus, or Pro plan as well. You just won't get the extra e-commerce features the Bluehost online store plan provides. The Pro plan you'll get for as low as $9.99 a month and get a Bluehost discount of 52% off. The Pro plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, 1,000 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 400,000 website visits per month, along with everything the Choice Plus plan comes with. I'm going to choose the basic plan for this tutorial. Once you decide on the plan to choose, click the Select button. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Create My Domain Later link and you can choose your free domain name at a later date. Click Next to proceed to the next step. You'll now be on the Create Your Account page. You now want to input your account information. The plan information section is if you click from the drop down where you see service term, you can choose the term for your hosting purchase. You'll see you get the lowest pricing with the 12-month term. Next, complete your payment. That is all there is to it. Enjoy your Bluehost coupon code discount so you can save money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.